Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. An administrator wants to assign a set of UTM features to a group of users. Which of the following is the correct method for doing this? Option A. Enable a set of unique UTM profiles under Edit User Group. Option B. The administrator must enable the UTM profiles in an identity-based policy applicable to the user group. Option C. When defining the UTM objects, the administrator must list the user groups which will use the UTM object. Option D. The administrator must apply the UTM features directly to a user object. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. The administrator must enable the UTM profiles in an identity-based policy applicable to the user group. Question 2. When firewall policy authentication is enabled, only traffic on supported protocols will trigger an authentication challenge. Select all supported protocols from the following. Option A. SMTP. Option B. SSH. Option C. HTTP. Option D. FTP. Option E. SCP. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. HTTP. Option D. FTP. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.